The Titans have 5 games remaining, including this one. The Haryana Steelers have lost just one in their last 5. They're on a phenomenal run of form. Look at that, that is so smooth. That is butter.
1 point. Haryana Steelers.
Silky smooth
Number
indeed
7
from Vinay. Picks up Sagar Rawal.
Oh, huge one! Huge one! Is this a super raid? An HP Gen 6 super raid?
2 points.
Couple of them are
Telugu
going off.
Titans.
Sanjay
Jersey
and
number 15 and 5
Jaydeep.
out.
He's gotten both the covers. Now Shivam Patare. Oh, he's quick! He's often in stealth mode. Too tough for Ajit Pawar.
Does he push in? Does he push in? Does he play it safe? Does he come back with an empty raid? Here's where things start to get tricky for the Telugu Titans, and there's not a single raider left now. Therefore, Navneet, my question is, should Pawan Sehrawat be back?
Well, I think he should. If he's fit, he should be on the mat.
I think because he gave Praful Zavare a bonus, and then he said just blow the whistle and then get this over with.
Number 2 out.
The first all out of the game
Telugu
inflicted
Titans.
by the Haryana Steelers upon the Telugu Titans. Their will, their steel. Look at that! That is incredible! Ashish Narwal had no space, no time to move. Shadlu was on him in a flash. This is a rough super tackle opportunity. Shivam Patare in raid. The Telugu Titans are now trailing by 15 points.
This is just ridiculous, Ridge.
Haryana Steelers.
They've started in overdrive. Now 1 versus 2. Shadlu likes this. He fancies himself when there are less number of defenders. Lots of space to work with. Oh, he's acrobatic, he's athletic. And the boy has got plenty of style and
1
swag.
point. Haryana Steelers.
The Haryana Steelers leading by 15. Sagar raiding for the Telugu Titans, and that's it. It's all over. Rahul Sethpal waiting in exactly the right place for Sagar. That's another 3 points. The Haryana Steelers are leading by 18, and we still have 3 minutes and a bit. Oh, I think he has to. He has to.
He has Ajit Pawar. He has Ashish Narwal. It's going
Haryana
all
Steelers.
too
Jersey
wrong
number
for the
81
Telugu
and
Titans.
12 out.
But what is it with Manpreet Singh, Bridge? You've obviously seen him for a long time over these 11 seasons. We'll come back to that. Holy moly. They're hitting
1
on
point.
both sides
Haryana
of the
Steelers.
mat. Not the case with the Haryana Steelers. They started in 5th
1
gear
point.
and now in
Haryana
probably
Steelers.
8th gear.
Number 12 out.
And we can just keep going on and on and on about Mohammad Reza Shadlu. No way.
This can't be happening.
Vijay Malik, shoulders drooping. The face says it all. Finally, the Telugu Titans show us some fight. Hold on to him. Sanskar Mishra is tall. He's strong, but he can't get away from 2 raiders there. It's Vijay Malik and Ashish Narwal. Vijay Malik taps out finally. I'm under the both of you all.
A public service announcement here. Manpreet Singh can smile as well. They don't mind conceding the odd point or two. They've been in ridiculous form this evening. There's your man, Vishal Tate.
Number
Did you see
77.
that speed?
77
And
and
did
2.
you see the angle he worked out on his escape?
2 point. Haryana Steelers.
2 more
Number
points to the
77 and 2
Steelers.
out.
Tell me something, Navneet. This will be a demoralized unit, the Telugu Titans,
2 points.
after this game, man.
Telugu Titans. Jersey number 8 and 7 out.
This is not the maximum number of points the
That's
Haryana
on.
Steelers have scored this season.
Well, there you go. A happy Manpreet Singh, a happy Shadlu, a happy Haryana Steelers. They go from strength to strength. The table toppers continue to cement their spot at the top of the points table.